Danny! The realm is under attack!
My God, the day has finally come.
It is time to release the Kraken!
Look in the distance, beyond the castle gates, the armies of the damned have come. On the horizon, they gather beneath the blood-red sun, the blood-red sun. 1,000 warriors, demons and orcs, charging like a tornado. But they will never know that their death awaits in waves below, in the waves below.
We must now unleash the monster. May God forgive us!
Release the Kraken!
Hey guys.
The tolling of the Iron Bell. Release the Kraken!
I'm the Kraken.
Rise above the depths of hell!
Does anyone have a lozenge?
Out on the battlefield, the armies collide, and hundreds die where they stand. In screaming agony, the shadow of war across the land, all across the land. Now let's end the fight. It's time to decide whose blood will finally be spilled. Our secret weapon, a specter of hate, who's born to kill. He was born to kill.
The time is now. Go forth, Kraken! Leave nothing but corpses!
Release the Kraken!
I'm in a song.
A creature of satanic rage. Release the Kraken!
Who wants sandwiches?
Oh, sick foe, sunken cage.
Hey look, I found a bell.
Release the Kraken! Impervious to sun and low. Release the Kraken!
I've got a splinter.
Death and coming from below. Release the Kraken!
Oops, I falled over.
Ocean drown in his domain. Release the Kraken!
Splashy splashy.
The harbinger of fear and pain.
Well, you did nothing. The war is lost. Thanks, Kraken.
You're welcome.